morning. Good morning, children. How are you all? Doing good? Yes. Had your breakfast? Yes, very good. Then, are you completing everything? Today's homework, classwork, everything? Are you completing, children? Are you watching the video properly? Yes. Are you listening? Yes. You should listen where there is no disturbance. Okay. Use earphone and you listen peacefully. Okay. Whatever we are saying, listen carefully. Whatever we are telling to write down, write it that time itself. Then it won't be burden for you. Okay. And send the homeworks, classwork, everything regularly. Okay. One day also you should not miss. Daily you should send. Okay. Yes. Before 8 p.m. you should send. Okay, children? Yes, very good. Then let us start. Yes, tell me what is the date today? Today the date is 13. Yes, we are in the month of September. Here is 2021, right? Yes, then today is Thursday, right? Thursday what you have? Which subject you have, minds? Yes, you have? Yes, cursive writing. Yes, children? Yes, you completed English. Yes, now cursive writing. Yes, yes. Then take out your cursive writing book. Yes, take out, children. Yes, we completed till where? Yes, we completed till page number 10. Yes, we completed till page number 10. Now we will start from page number 11. Okay. Yes. So first we have pattern writing. Yes. Yes. See page number 11. Open page number 11. Okay. Yes. Then we will start. Yes. What is this pattern, children? Yes. It's like a curve, right? Yes, like a snake. Okay. I'll write on the board. See how it is like snake only, right? Yes. Using this you can draw a snake also. Yes, you can draw a snake also. Yes. See, like this you can draw a snake. It is useful for drawing also. Yes. Eyes like this. Tongue. Yes, children, you can make one snake also. Yes. Yes. Using this pattern, you can do different drawings also. Okay. And it is useful to write like U also. U. Cursive U also it is useful to like this. U. Okay, half of that you can write. See, like this, then like this. Okay, you also you can write if you stop in here. Understand, children? Yes. So, what you should do? You should take your pencil and now only start writing. Now itself you should start writing. Yes, see, page number 11. You have to trace it. See, trace, see on this, neatly, yes, trace like this, children, okay, fully like this, trace on the line itself, okay, yes, then like this, then like this. Okay, neatly you can trace because I am doing with my hand only, not in the table, right? To show you I am doing in the hand itself. So you can do neatly. Okay? Yes. Full page you should complete, children. Okay? Then turn next page. Next page, what is this? This is also a pattern. Pattern means which is same. We are continuing same, joining and continuing, right? That is pattern. Okay, same we are writing next to that, right? That is pattern. Okay, how you will write this pattern? See, first here you should start from here. Then trace like this. Then again reverse you should come. Then like this, then like this, then like this, then like this, then like this. Okay, you should keep on tracing like that. Neatly, children. Because I am doing in hand, that's why it is coming like that. But you people can do neatly. See like this. Okay. Are you doing? Yes, are you tracing, children? Is it? Yes, trace neatly. Yeah, like this. Okay, neatly. Yes, it looks like C also. Correct? Yes, it is C only. Yes. See, I'll show on the board how you write. See, like this. Then like this. But it should not come in a double line here. It should be in a single line only. Okay? See? Then again on that you should write. Okay? Then again. Then again. Then again. See like this. This helps to write you C. Okay, in cursive. Okay? Yes, and even you can draw one. Yes, anything you can draw. You can make it as caterpillar also. See? You can make it as caterpillar also. You can draw also using pattern. Okay, you can draw eyes. Yes, that, and you can draw giving like this. Then legs also. It becomes a caterpillar also. Okay, you can draw also. You can use the pattern also for writing also. See, both you can do, right, with the pattern. That's way it is easy. Yes, in this way if you do, it is easy, right? Yes. How you write? See, how you write, children, in the pattern? Is like this. Then again. Again, if you trace, automatically it will come. Okay, like that. Okay, children? Yes? Yes. Do it, page number 12. You should complete now itself. Yes? Yes. Then next? Yes, next what we have? Next we have letters and words. Yes, next what we have? Letters and words. Yes, our topic is second topic, that is letters and words. Okay. Yes. See in the starting how they are given, half like this they have given. See, like this they have given, right? In the 4 lines, right? Yes. Then they are given like this, right? Yes. Then fully like this you can write it. See? See. Okay? Like this you can trace on that. Yes? Yes. I will show you. Yes. Trace on this itself, children. 4 lines. Okay? In this only you should trace inside the blue line itself. Okay? Inside the blue line, because this is a small c. Yes? That's right. See, like this. You have to trace fully. Okay? Here also. Then here also. See, here we have double C, 2C. Yes. See, joining. How you will join 2 C's like this. I already showed you here in pattern. Like that only here also. Okay. So, join this like this. Okay. Yes. Here also the same thing. Then next we have 3 C's. You can join that also. See. Like this. Can you see? Yes, like this you should do. See? Like this. Okay, continue. Here we have 4 C's. See? Like this you should join the pattern and write. Easily you can do, children, not very difficult. Yes, then next fully you can do and go. Yes, like this. See how fastly I am doing? Like this you can do. Tracing only, right? Easy. Fully you should do. Okay? Yes, then you should write down the same thing down. You should continue copy. Okay? I will see how you will do. Okay? Page number 13. Yes? Please complete it, children. Yes, now itself. Page number, what is your homework? Page number 11, 12, 13. 3 pages I have given. So next we will start with the letters. Okay, letters, full letters we will start. This is the starting of how to write A also. Okay, because A also it comes in this pattern only. See, like this, then A like this. See, here it is. Correct, like that. So that's why first they have given like a C. Then you can make it A also. Okay? Yes, like that. Yes, children? Yes, this you should write fully here. These 3 lines. These 3 lines. Okay? Yes, complete it. And each and everybody send it in the group for correction also. Okay? Yes. So today this is enough. The next page 14 we will do continue in the next class. Okay? Now we will end up the class. Then we will meet you in the next class. Bye.